To determine the equation of this parabola, we need to plug the given values into the general equation, where we have A is the vertical stretch or compression, H is the translation or shift left or right, and K is the translation or shift up and down. What values do we have so far? We actually have all but one. We have everything except for the A value. Because, remember, the y-intercept occurs where x equals 0. Therefore, we have the coordinate 0, 1. So we have the vertex and the coordinate. The coordinate is the x and y, whereas the vertex is our h and k value. So we'll plug that in. So we have y is 1 equals a times x. H is -3 from the vertex. So be careful here, this is kind of tricky. We're plugging in a -3, but we keep the minus sign out in front. That's one of the tricks with vertex form. That's actually why we end up always switching the sign on the x value to determine the point. It's basically this minus is factored in already. And then we have our k value of the vertex is 4. And that's it. Now we can isolate for A, solve for A, which we'll need for our equation. So here we have to watch out for order of operations. And so we have 9a equals 1 minus 4, -3. Divide both sides by 9 and reduce, we'll get -1/3. Now that we've found the a value, we can go and plug that back into our vertex equation with a as -1/3. And remember, in an equation with the vertex, we show this would be +3 since the vertex is -3. And that's it. This is our equation in vertex form.